In this video, how to use Clickup for students. I will show you step by step how students can use Clickup to organize studies and tasks. First, go to the Clickup website or open the Clickup app on your phone. Log into your account using your email and password. If you do not have an account yet, click Sign Up to create one. After logging in, you will see the Clickup dashboard. Now click the Create Space option. Give the space a name such as Studies. Click Continue to create the space. Inside the space, click Create Folder to organize subjects. You can create folders such as Math, History, or English. Now click on a folder and select Create List. Give the list a name such as Homework or Assignments. Now click New Task to add an assignment. Type the task name, for example, Math Homework. Click the task to add more details. You can write the assignment description, add the due date for the task. Click the Date field to choose the deadline. You can also set priority for important tasks. Choose high priority for exams or major assignments. Create subtasks to break large assignments into smaller steps. This helps organize study tasks more efficiently. You can also use the Calendar view. Click Calendar View to see all tasks by date. This helps track deadlines and exam dates. You can add notes inside tasks. This helps store important class information. Clickup helps students stay organized with schoolwork. It makes it easier to track assignments and deadlines